It's a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and EcoTech 3 engine. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.